When it comes to enhancing your home's value, comfort, and energy efficiency, door replacement might not be the first thing that comes to mind. However, replacing old or outdated doors can be a surprisingly smart investment for homeowners in Sumter. Whether it's for improving curb appeal, increasing security, or boosting energy savings, a new door can have a significant impact on your home's overall value and livability. Here's why door replacement in Sumter is a worthwhile investment for your home. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and your front door plays a big role in how visitors perceive your home. A new door can dramatically enhance the exterior appearance of your house, adding charm, style, and a welcoming feel. Whether you choose a classic wooden door, a modern steel entryway, or a sleek glass design, upgrading your door is one of the most cost-effective ways to improve your home's curb appeal. In Sumter, where homes range from traditional southern estates to more contemporary designs, you can find a door style that complements your home's architectural features while making a bold statement. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home, a door replacement can offer an excellent return on investment. Potential buyers often look for homes that are well maintained, and your door is one of the first things they will notice. An old, worn-out door may signal neglect, whereas a new, attractive door creates a sense of newness and care in the property. According to home improvement experts, replacing your front door can boost your home's value by thousands of dollars, making it an ideal project if you're planning to sell or simply want to increase the long-term worth of your home. Improved energy efficiency. One of the primary reasons homeowners in Sumter choose to replace their doors is to improve energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those with gaps or worn seals, can let in drafts, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This means your HVAC system has to work harder, leading to higher utility bills. Newer doors, particularly energy-efficient models, are designed with better insulation, weatherproofing, and advanced materials that keep the elements out and your indoor climate controlled. A well-insulated door can help reduce your energy consumption and lower your heating and cooling costs, which is a smart way to save money year-round. Increased security. Your front door is the first line of defense when it comes to protecting your home and family. If your current door is old, damaged, or made from subpar materials, it may not offer the security that a new door can. Modern doors are built with stronger, more durable materials such as reinforced steel or solid wood, providing better resistance against break-ins. In addition to the strength of the door itself, newer doors are often equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and security features, giving you peace of mind and helping to keep your home safe. Low maintenance and durability. Older doors can require constant maintenance, from repainting and sealing to repairing hardware. Over time, they can deteriorate due to weather exposure, becoming an eyesore or causing functional issues. Replacing an old door with a modern one means you'll spend less time and money on upkeep. New doors are designed to be more durable and resistant to the elements, which means they require less maintenance and will continue to look great for years to come. Whether you choose a steel door, fiberglass, or a high-quality wooden door, you can expect better longevity and reliability. Noise reduction. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a high-traffic area, noise can be a major issue. Old doors often fail to block out outside sounds, leading to a disruptive living environment. Modern doors, especially those made from solid materials or equipped with soundproofing features, can help reduce noise from the outside. This added comfort makes your home a quieter, more peaceful place to relax and unwind. Customization options. Door replacement in Sumter allows homeowners to choose from a wide variety of styles, materials, and finishes to suit their needs and aesthetic preferences. Whether you want a door with intricate glasswork, bold color accents, or a minimalist design, you have plenty of options to choose from. Many door manufacturers also offer custom solutions, allowing you to design a door that perfectly matches your vision for your home. This level of customization ensures that your new door will not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also reflect your personal style. Conclusion. Replacing your door is a smart investment for any Sumter homeowner looking to improve their home's appearance, energy efficiency, security, and overall value. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enjoy the benefits of a more comfortable and secure living space, a door replacement is a project that pays off in both the short and long term. With the right door, you can enhance your home's beauty, reduce your energy bills, and create a more welcoming and safe environment for your family.